Good afternoon, Julio. This is Scott with Impact Latent SEO. Just wanted to make this video to show you kind of expectations and what you could kind of think of SEO and how it would work for you, your company. So I started with your Facebook page just because I did see that your website is kind of undergoing maintenance, which is totally fine, but I usually just kind of show you all things considering so that you get a bigger picture of what SEO kind of encompasses. And looking at your website, since it's down, I can't really look at yours in particular, but I'll go through another company's here in just a minute. But pretty much what you want on your website is high quality content that Google likes because content is king. You want anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. You want your images saved correctly as the alternate text instead of for Final Design Shield for Elevated. That could be like Windshield Replacement Lehi, um, and those could be counted as keywords behind as well. Looking at your current website, I was able to find a buyer intent keyword here, which is Windshield Replacement Lehi. There's 100 searches for them. There's a 0 KD, which means it should be pretty relatively easy to rank. And you're in the 46th position. If you're not in the first page, especially the first number 1, 2, 3, you're going to be missing out on most of the traffic that would be going to your website instead of competitors. And the way to get ranking is through backlinks, and there's different metrics that I'll show you in just a second. I'll kind of go through backlinks and citations there. But I just did auto glass replacement Lehi. You obviously get your sponsored ads right up top. Safe Light is right here. This is what I'm doing for that other company down in Arizona and San Diego. But that's the ads that you're going here. A big thing on the ads are auto glass replacement Lehi. This just says Safe Light, car window, auto glass repair. At least that's kind of similar. But if it says auto glass replacement, you want to say auto glass replacement in your ad as well, just because you're generating that much more relevance to the search. So that is a great way to generate business quickly if that's something you're looking for. And then you move down into the Google Business Profile or Map Pack, depending on what you know it as. And, auto glass shop, auto glass shop, auto glass shop. The thing is, on all of these, this is all based on location. So down in Lehi, I'm up in Layton. So down in Lehi, I know that you could be also ranking for upwards of Salt Lake too, just because there's a lot more searches for you. But not being in the Google Business Profile is not a problem. There's plenty of ways to do it. You could start by getting reviews. That's always a great way to do it. I could make a QR code for you that would help you link to your review page so that you could do it right on the spot, especially when you're mobile. Adding geotag, located, or branded photos weekly is really beneficial because it shows Google you're growing your business organically. And then adding your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is really beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you, and not just in your current location, but in your surrounding areas as well. And being in the Google Business Profile generates about 30 to 40% of the searches because most people either go to ads or right here and then they stop. And then about another 40% go down into the 30 to 40% come down into the organics. And this would be like your website here. And for this particular keyword, it looks like Second Chance Auto Glass is one of your top competitors for you. This is their website right here. Like I said, you want to have 1,500 words on your homepage. They have a lot of testimonials, but I wouldn't really say there's a lot of content here. And so by having better content, the authoritative backlinks and citations, you could start to outrank them. And just to kind of give you an example of the backlinks and stuff, there's 26 referring domains, 44 referring pages. Those are the backlinks. And what a backlink is, and just in case you don't know, is when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And just to kind of give you an example here, they're being indexed for 278 keywords, and they're getting about 300 people to their website each and every month. So, I mean, that's kind of a lot of traffic. So instead of your website acting like a digital business card, it acts more like a lead generation source. And just to kind of give you an example, I just did two quick ones for you. I did Salt Lake and Lehi just because I know Salt Lake's the biggest city right here and you're in Lehi. But looking here, and this is just Windshield. So Windshield replacement Salt Lake City. There's 800 searches for that, and this is monthly on average. So when you start to have those better backlinks, the more authoritative content and citations, a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of the people going to the website will start to give you a call or form submit. And depending on your closing rate, they'll turn into a customer for you. So Julio, I hope that this was informative for you. I'd love to talk to you more. Please give me a call and I'll shoot you the video via text message so you can reach me back. Have a great day and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.